Hey love bugs, it's your girl Nikita Shanae, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to come to you guys and do this look using the Huda Beauty Neon Palette. I actually purchased this a while ago. They come in 3 different colors. The purple, well, I guess you really consider this pink, orange, and the green. Um, so yeah, I just kind of wanted to use this palette to create this look that I have on my eyes. I'm going to show you exactly how I did this look. I actually did this look on my live, and I got a lot of people asking me to actually record it where they can actually see it, because for some reason my live was not trying to let me live. So I decided to come on here and show you guys how I created this look. So you want to see how I did this look? Please make sure you keep watching, and do not forget to subscribe to your girl channel. Like, come on. Yeah, come on. Alright, let's get to it. Right, so I have to say a quick disclaimer right now, because you guys probably looking at like, why is this eye not completely concealed and all that stuff. Is because my silly butt recorded and my car was full, so I wasn't able to capture the whole look. So what I did was just take off one eye, and I'm just going to reapply, which probably be better anyway. I just wanted to address the whole why I look like I probably still got some under my eye, and why this side is more bright and set. So just clear that up. Alright, so I'm going to take this first color right here, this color right here, and I'm going to put this color all over my crease area. I'm just really going to saturate this brush. First of all, I want to say about this palette. Matter of fact, I think all of Huda Beauty palettes, they're very pigmented. So I realized, like, even though I love makeup, unless someone's going to send me some makeup, I'm not going to buy any more like super bold color eyeshadow palettes, because I feel like it's only so many you need, and I feel like these are super pigmented to the point I don't need another one. So just to clear that up, like, I'm not going to get any more. Alright, so I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to start at the outer part of my eye, and I'm just going to blend this in a circle, and then I'm just going to push the rest, or blend the rest to the inner corner. But more of these trying to concentrate color right here, so I can be able to take it in the inside. And when I do it in the inside, I'm doing more of a windshield wiper kind of motion. And when I'm on the outside, I'm just kind of trying to, in circular motion, I'm just blending it out as well. But most of my color, I'm just packing on the outside. And I'm going to bring this color up just a little bit. And do not mind if it gets like junky or whatever case may be, because we're going to clean that up. So don't mind the junk. Alright. I usually go down in brushes to get like my color to pack on, or get my colors to kind of go in a transition kind of way. But because I did not find the brush, or I was just being lazy and didn't want to look nowhere else, so I end up going with a little bit bigger brush. But I can still be able to tweak it where it just stays in my crease. So next color I'm going to take is this hot pink color right here. And I'm really going to get this color good on my brush, and I'm going to just place it right here, so I know I'm not going above my crease. This is solely just on my crease, or in my crease I should say. See? And I'm doing the same thing. I'm doing circular motion on the outer edge, and then I'm just blending it in. brush, I'm just trying to blend out the edges and make sure this is not going nowhere. Alright, so now to a more smaller, pointier brush. This is the Morphe M514 brush. I absolutely love this brush because I feel like this gets, definitely if you're trying to blow out a color in your inner corner, it's perfect for that, and that's exactly what we're about to do now. So I'm going to take this little light purple right here in the palette. And I'm going to put this in my inner corner. And I'm going to try my best to blow this color completely out. Like so. Alright. And what I did was I kind of brought some up into my inner corner just to kind of meet that color right there, like so. My lashes look, I need a lash refill, so. Alright, so next I'm going to take like a flat shader brush, kind of, if I can find it. There we go. On a flat shader brush, I'm going to take this purple color right here, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. I'm just pretty much stamping that on my lid. Like so. Alright. I'm going to take that last brush I just had, and I'm just going to. Alright, so now I feel like because I lost a little bit of my pink, I'm going to go back in with my pink color and this color right here. But first I'm going in with my pink. Alright, next I'm going to take that first color and I'm just going to go, ooh, and I'm going to try to blend this out. Alright, so I kind of want to clean this up a little bit, and I found out this is the perfect color for this one. So I'm going to take like this little, I don't know what color, like a beige kind of color, and I'm just going to go around the edges of everything, kind of blend this out. Alright, next on a small, like, what kind of brush is this? Shader brush, it says. I'm going to take this pink shimmery color right here, and I'm going to get enough of it on my brush. Spread it. And I'm going to put this color all in my inner corner. And then next I'm going to take this purple color right here in the middle of the palette, and I'm going to put this up here and kind of blend this into my eyeshadow. Just trying to fuse those two colors together. Alright. Next is optional, which it was a little bit more work for me. It's taking a white jumbo pencil. So I had to take a emergency phone call. So what I did was I just added some white NYX milk pencil to my bottom lash line, and then I just used that same shader brush. I put this pink color on my lash line, and then I also went back over with this purple color. So mascara, I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs mascara. Time. I forgot to make that line way too long. So, love bug, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really like it. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I'm so freaking sorry about the fact that my camera was full. I should have checked, but I didn't. So, I take full ownership and full blame of that. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I absolutely like it. I feel like it's giving me hot girl summer vibes. I feel like it's giving me Barbie girl vibes, you know, summer 2K19 the shit type of vibe, you know. So yeah, but for real, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys decide to subscribe to my channel. It's just a red and white button at the bottom, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell. It pretty much lets you know whenever I post new videos. It will definitely ring to you. And a lot of people ask me like why I'm not getting notifications. I think it's probably because you probably did not push the button. I think that's all it is. So yeah, so just make sure you hit the button, and it pretty much should let you know whenever I upload new videos, which I'm trying to be consistent with uploading every Wednesdays and Sunday. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and just staying here with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.